I will appoint judges that will be pro-life.
This new justice will walk into a court that's evenly divided on the issue of abortion and likely tip the balance of the court against abortion access, with devastating consequences for women and anyone who needs to access abortion around the country. We identified 29 states that are either extremely hostile or hostile to abortion, and 58% of American women of reproductive age lived in those states at the end of 2017. We are living in a time in which someone's ability to access abortion around the country is already dependent upon where they live. States hostile to abortion have enacted any number of restrictions that have aimed at closing down clinic doors or putting unnecessary hoops in front of people seeking an abortion. They could take steps through one or any number of cases to seriously undermine the protections of Roe v. Wade and ultimately exacerbate this situation that we already see, in which, where you live really determines your access. States like Iowa have pursued restrictions to tee up potential challenges to Roe v. Wade. They've been using their states as test cases in the hopes that some of these restrictions do ultimately get considered by the court. So they're playing with the health care of the women in their state for ideological gain.
Most of the laws that are going up to the Supreme Court are state laws. So if listeners are interested in doing something, they can run for state office. They can actually vote in state elections. Voting in both state and federal elections makes a big difference. It's safe to say that if the court overturns Roe, this is not going to be over. There's going to be a state-by-state battle, and listeners can get involved in that. They can try to make sure that abortion stays legal in their state.
This is common, this is routine, this is care that women need and that they should be supported in accessing. Countries around the world are liberalizing their abortion laws. In further restricting abortion, we are and will be moving backwards. Instead, we should be looking to the future and protecting women's access to fundamental health care.